Okay, this is the unboxing of Minnie. It's a Diamond Dots. Let's see what we got in here. There is the canvas. It's quite a bit smaller. Here are all the dots and the kit, like your tray. They got some baggies in here. Let's see what the canvas looks like. I'm very excited to start one. Okay. Alright, here is Minnie. It's very blurry. It is a smaller canvas. I'm going to have to just re-roll this. I don't know if you remember like poster boards. I don't know. People even still, well, I guess they still do. But re-rolling the poster board the opposite way so it lays flat from where you had it rolled up in your bag. Alright. There's what she's supposed to look like when she's done. It looks like everything, including the flowers. Alright, that's not bad. But let's see. Yeah, you can see the symbols okay. Just looks a little fuzzy. But I think this is going to be really fun to work on. I don't think this one has any special crystals. I think it's just the fact that it's Minnie and it's Disney. And they do have a license to use Disney characters. So I feel good about that. And then so the kit has a little wax. It does have some, it actually has quite a few little baggies. Probably not enough for what I need it for. Then you have a pin, a little squishy, and some wax. And then here are the colors if you're interested. Those are pretty. These are special, I think. These are pretty, just your normal dots. And then you have the orange and the orange yellow. And then these white ones. But I think these right here, these have a coating on them. I don't know enough about the drills and the special ones, but I think these are the only, like, pretty ones. Well, they're all shiny, but you know what I mean. So, and then this, I'm going to have to write the symbols down. Because they don't have the stickers. I don't think they do anyways. Not like some of them do. I've seen those. I want those. Yeah, here's the instructions. I think it comes in like a couple of different languages too. Yeah. Shows you the instructions. In case you've never seen it before and just curious. Most people have, or at least seen another video that showed it. So to set up, what I do is I'm going to pour each one of these, the beads, into one of these containers, and this will just be my mini setup until I'm done. So I'm going to just speed through here for you. Okay, so I got all those numbered. I don't think it's going to really matter that much. I mean, there's only 13 of them, but they seem to fit better in the box this way. I don't think, for this project anyways, I mean, if there was more of them, it may be a bigger deal than what I'm going through right now. But just face them that way. Because I'll just be pulling them out and I'll have it out while I'm using it. So it's not like I'm having to search through, 30 of these. So I might perfect it a little bit more. But it is what it is. I don't know if I care if the other boxes are in here or not, though. But, like, where am I going to put the rest of these? Like, really? But if you saw, I showed you the pretty ones, or what I thought were pretty. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be an issue. So I think I'm just gonna pull like these 2 rows that are in, and well, 3 rows. I forgot these 2. I'm just gonna pull one out. I can stash these somewhere just while I'm working on this project. But I wanted to show you the pretty ones. Like, these are ones that have like coatings on them, and so they almost have a pearl like glimmer to them. This one has it. Oop, lost speed. I'll find it eventually. The blues have it. The blues I think are really pretty. Okay, these you've got to make sure to shake these down before opening these tops. But I thought the blues were really pretty. And the yellows had it as well. This is 10. So no, I guess I didn't. I just thought maybe I was looking at the greens when I saw that. But they're very pretty. I like them. So that's how this is going to be set up. And then I can have my wax. And then this is what you get. I can open it. Get just another tray, another squishy. I have a bunch of these already. It's got a little bit of glitter. And then here's your tray, which I have more than one tray. This one came with, let's see how many baggies this one came with. This is great for storing like the beads that you don't end up using. I wonder if they even gave you enough baggies for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, they only gave me 10 baggies. This wouldn't have been enough for a project. You have to have like some kind of containment system going on for these. So those will go in my little baggie collection to put the miscellaneous ones. And then I think this is exactly, actually, I don't know. It looks almost exactly the same as the individual one I bought. So these, you have to take it out and then peel the wax off and then put it in there. With this project, I was kind of hoping to use my multi-placing tool. You saw me use it in the last one I did. I don't even know where it went. Usually I keep them in my little cup over here. I'm doing my little new setup. Oh, here it is. I think this is a skill level I just have not mastered yet. I didn't like how it looked. It took me forever just to get the wax in here. I don't know if it was the kind of wax I was using. But yeah, this is another glitter pen. I think this one came with the butterfly diamond dots that I had done. But this can go on, this pulls out like that. It can go on any pen you're using at the time. It doesn't matter. See, this is just like a normal one. But I will get this started. Now, Minnie will take a lot less time than the other one. I was thinking about doing I see people use washi tape. I used to use painter's tape, but it just depends, I think, on how sticky the side. They don't seem to be really sticky because this area right here is not even covered. Usually though, there's one side or another that's a little bit stickier, but that doesn't seem to be the case in this one, so that's good. It looks like they gave themselves like a good pour line here, so it's not on this, so I'm not even worried about putting the washi tape on it. But let's see what, without the glare going on. I mean, you still have a glare because of the poured glue. I don't know if you can see that better or not, but oh, renegade. Yeah, you're gonna have drills everywhere. Just learn to live with the glitter. But we will get this started. So the next video you will see will be me working on Minnie, getting her done. I could probably get her done probably one sitting, depending on how much time I have. It may take 2 sittings. But if you enjoyed this and want to see more unboxings, please like, share, subscribe. And if you made it all the way through to the end, just put in the comments a little yellow heart. Let me know you made it to the end. And you have a wonderful day. Bye.